First, ensure your Sonata's ignition is on to power the infotainment system. On the infotainment screen, navigate to Settings, then Phone or Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on the car screen. On your iPhone or Android, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and scan for devices. Select Hyundai Sonata or similar name and confirm the PIN, usually 0000. For Android, enable Android Auto. For iPhone, activate wireless CarPlay if supported. Finally, test the connection by making a call or playing music. For newer Sonatas, pairing is quick. Ensure software is up to date via the My Hyundai app. Experiencing Bluetooth glitches? First, ensure your phone's operating system, iOS or Android, is up to date. Software updates often resolve compatibility issues. Also, make sure your Sonata's Bluetooth firmware is current. Use the My Hyundai app to check for over-the-air updates. Common problems include reconnection failures after updates. The My Hyundai app has troubleshooting guides that often resolve this. Keep in mind that Sonatas typically support 2 to 3 simultaneous Bluetooth connections. If issues persist, try deleting previous pairings on both your phone and car, then repeat the pairing process. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto offer improved stability in newer models, but require compatible phones. In areas with high interference, wired connections may provide a more reliable alternative. Regularly check Hyundai's website for compatibility lists and updated instructions.